SMT THT radial feeder. Automate radial component insertion. Are you still relying on costly, slow manual insertion for your radial taped components? Is your SMT machine limited in handling diverse THT parts, leading to high labor costs, inconsistent quality, and valuable factory space being wasted? Southern Machinery offers the THT radial feeder, a revolutionary solution designed to transform your SMT lines into automated insertion powerhouses for radial components. Our feeders enable your existing SMT pick-and-place machines to perform auto-insertion, bridging the gap between SMT and THT processes. Our RF1000 and RTF2002 radio feeders handle a wide range of radial lead components like capacitors, MOVs, LEDs, and transistors. The RTF2002 features a unique CCL linkage mechanism that simultaneously performs pin cutting, foot forming, and body positioning, ensuring precision and efficiency. An innovative pin clamping action before cutting prevents component jumping and pin deformation. These feeders use Lessa stepper motors for accurate positioning and quick response, with cycle times as fast as 0.8 seconds. With the compact width of only 80 millimeters, our feeders save significant space on your production line. Made from high-speed steel and aluminum alloy, they ensure stability, low loss, and long life. Benefits include predictable product quality, no wrong parts or polarity, less risk of damage from human contact, and better clinching for fewer solder issues. Southern Machinery has over 20 years of experience in SMT and auto-insertion solutions. We are patent owners of odd-formed feeders, holding an invention patent and 2 practical patents for THT radial feeders. Our solutions are trusted by global leaders such as GE, Bosch, Philips, Flex, Jabil, and Juki. We offer customized solutions to fit your specific needs and provide 7x24 worldwide support, free installation and training, and 1-day lead time for spare parts. Transitioning from manual to automated insertion can save significant labor costs, effectively making one machine equal to 10 workers. Ready to optimize your SMT line? Visit www.smthelp.com to explore our THT radial feeders and other innovative solutions. You can also email us at info@smthelp.com for a customized inquiry. Automate your production and boost your efficiency today.